Here's how you can easily make $100,000 this summer without a college degree. And no, you don't need any MLMs, or do you need a corporate desk job. Instead, you want to head over to wish.com and create a merchant account. By doing this, you'll now be able to list and sell to the over 107 million monthly customers at wish.com. And since it's summer, you want to think about selling high demand items for the season, such as sunglasses. So now go over to dhgate.com, where you want to find a trusted supplier for this product. Now go back to wish.com and create a product listing containing these sunglasses. Now every time your listing on wish.com sells, your supplier will fulfill the product directly to the customer. So if you list these sunglasses for $20, you only need to make $5,000 sales to make $100,000 this summer. So to get 5,000 sales, consider the industry standard of a 1% click rate, a 3% buy rate, which means you'll need roughly 16 million views to your video through free social media. Now there's a free video in my profile showing you how I do this, how others do this, and how you can too.